Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Nobody said anything yet about the lighting. Do you like the new LED lighting? I mean, I got to keep putting my brim of my hat up higher so that you can see my ugly mug, but let me know if the lighting is okay. So, a box came in the mail from David. Thank you, David, for sending this out. I was looking at this product and I found it very interesting. It's called the Freestyle Edge Sharpening System. And for those of us who tend to like to freehand sharpen, but we also like to maintain angles. So he came up with this, and it's got a number of different angles on it. I kind of wish he had a 25 here and a 30 here instead of a 15. I'm not sure what the 15 does, but because you could go 25 for your primary and then jump over to 30 for your secondary or tertiary. But what he did instead was he put these notches in here at 1 degree increments. So there's this little key. If you want to go from 25 to 28 degrees, you slip the key in at 28, and so now it'll key you in at 28, so you get a 3-degree boost as a micro bevel. So there's that. And basically, how this works is you have this ring that has a rubbery top. You keep this ring on your finger. You put a ring on it. And then you come in here to the angle that you want, and you bring your blade in, and it's magnetic until it touches your work surface. Now, you don't take this to your sharpening stone. You slip your finger in underneath here with the ring, you pinch it. So now you're stuck. You're stuck to that angle. And now you can go to your sharpening stone and sharpen away, and you're holding it at that angle. All right, so you get your 25-degree primary. You want to go up to 28. You do the same thing with that key like I showed you. Well, let's say you wanted to go to 30. Be a rebel. You put that key in there. Now you loosen the ring, but keep it on your finger. And you come back in here, and now you are at 30 degrees. Slip your finger underneath, lock in the ring, go to your superfine stone, take 3 or 4 strokes, put your camber on, and you're done. Pretty slick. So what I'm going to do is leave a link to David's website. You go ahead and check it out. I'm going to be learning about it. I mean, there's even a little recess here for the ring and a locking bar. I'm not sure where to put this yet, except in one of the notches. And then along with that comes his 7-degree back bevel jig and another roller device, which I have to learn what that is and how to use it. I know it connects somehow on those rods, but so that's about it, everybody. An interesting new little invention, Freestyle Edge sharpening system. And let me know, do you like the lighting or not? Or does it even matter? Like, subscribe, and share. Head out to your shop and go make some shavings. But if it's not sharp enough, maybe check out David's Freestyle Edge sharpening system. Walter out.